You've probably seen a lot of AI tools that say that they can help you write books, but what if there was one that could create a full interactive murder mystery book in just a few minutes? Not just a rough draft or a half-finished idea, and not just a simple story with a few puzzles added at the end. I mean a complete book with a mystery, suspects, clues, puzzles, a cover, a title, inside pages, and even extra materials to help your book's listing stand out against its competition. Now, these aren't books people just read. They actually get involved. They look at the evidence, they follow the clues, they solve the puzzle, and then they try to figure out who the killer is before the big reveal. These are super popular books with a ton of demand from passionate buyers. You can publish these kinds of books on Amazon KDP, sell them as printable downloads on Etsy, or even offer them through your own website. And what makes this interesting is that these books usually take a lot more work than simple books like journals or coloring books. The story has to make sense, the clues need to connect properly, the puzzles need to be solvable, and the ending needs to feel satisfying. And that's a lot to plan on your own. But this new AI tool says that it can build the whole thing for you from just one idea. It can suggest a theme, create characters, build the mystery, develop clues, and organize the entire book. So whether you're new and want to create something more advanced, or you already publish books and you want to add higher quality books, this tool could make things much easier. So today I'm going to test it out and show you exactly how it works step by step and see if it's something that can actually be used to create compelling murder mystery books. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, before we take a look at the AI tool, let's go ahead and take a look at this niche murder mystery puzzle book. Now, the first thing that I notice is going to be the average bestsellers rank. It is quite low here, 55,000. And we can see from Titan's quick view, a very high niche score, even with all the competition, still a 79. And just going through the first page, bestseller right here. This is a KDP book, independently published. I mean, I'm kind of scared to even say this number out loud, but you can see right here the royalties for this book. This is number 6 overall on Amazon. And this one right here, number 32, number 25. So these are super high performing books, insane numbers. You have another one right here, KDP book, ranked 2,135, so $15,000 to over $23,000 per month in passive royalties. The one right next to it, over $13,000 per month. And the first page is filled with these KDP books, all doing really, really high numbers. This one over $3,000 per month, over $7,000 per month. This one close to $10,000 per month. If we take a look at this one, this is titled Eliminate a Murder Mystery Logic Puzzle Book. This one is priced at $15.99, and that is because it is quite lengthy, 400 pages. So this one has 15 category-based logic puzzles. So basically 15 sections or 15 mystery puzzles to actually solve. And if we take a look at the sample, this is a high content type of book. It is not a coloring book. It's not an activity book. It's definitely not a log book. So you can see this is the case background, more case backgrounds, and then how to solve. So the case is right here, more info about the case. And then you have your category possibilities. So this is the one where you have a list of all the possibilities that you're trying to kind of rule out all of these possibilities so that you can come to the one conclusion of who actually did it. And so you can see the rest of the pages is filled with all of these names. And then you get to category 2, birthplace, and so on and so forth. Now here's another example titled One of Them is the Killer, a suspect murder mystery puzzle book with 47,000 names, 30 clues, one final killer. This one is 252 pages, so pretty long, $15.99. And you can see that you can price your book a little bit higher, actually quite higher than standard books, and people will still buy them. So if we take a look at the description, it says here, your task is simple but not easy. Study the clues, eliminate the innocent, and uncover the one name hidden inside thousands of suspects. One of them is The Killer, an interactive murder mystery puzzle book built for readers who love deduction, logic puzzles, escape rooms, whodunit games, detective games, and satisfying aha moments. Inside, you're going to find chapters, suspect names, clues. And looking at the sample here, so this one's a little bit different. You have your clues, you have your how to play instructions, you have your chapters, and the chapter has a story. So this is the story of chapter 1, bunch of names here, but as you can see, just filled with names. Now it is a puzzle book, it is a logic book, but you can see people really buy books just filled with these names. So for a book that is actually pretty complicated to make, but in concept, if you had a tool to create this, you could actually take part in this niche, which is a very high performing niche. The other thing that's very, very useful to customers is going to be the A+ content. As you can see right here, this is going to help anyone looking at the listing learn about the book, because not everyone might know what a murder mystery book is. They might be interested in what it is. And so it's very, very nice to see how it actually works. Number 1, read the case file, set the clues, search the registry, track your results. And also there are different types of murder mystery books. Now with the generic search of murder mystery puzzle book, that is a little bit competitive, but you can go ahead and make a search for whodunit puzzle book. And this is going to be a lot less competitive, but still look at the average bestsellers rank, even lower at 38,000, still a high niche score. And if you're looking for something to include in your title, your subtitle, you can think about using whodunit. I already did a search. It is not trademarked, so you can use this. And as you can see here, still very highly profitable books here. Low rank, 62,000, over $1,000 per month. Another whodunit murder mystery, over 3,000, actually close to $4,000 per month. Now, normally creating a murder mystery book means using several different tools. One for writing the story, one for creating puzzles, one for making illustrations, another for designing the cover, and then even more tools to create images for your product listing. But this tool is designed to do everything in one place. It creates the title, the cover, the story, the characters, clues, puzzles, inside pages, and even marketing materials that you can use when it comes to selling your book online. Now, that doesn't mean you should publish it without checking it first. You still need to review the story, test the puzzles, make sure everything works. But instead of starting from nothing, you begin with a complete draft, which can save a lot of time. So now let me show you what this tool can actually create, and let's see whether it's good enough to turn into a real book. Now, this is the new AI tool. It's called Kuronazo, and I have been playing around a little bit with this tool. So if we look to the left-hand side here, there's a bunch of options here. It can be a little bit confusing, but obviously we can go one by one here. We have the trim size. So typically you're gonna make a 6x9" book. You also have your margins here. You can use the auto KDP binding margin here. Just make sure that's clicked. And then you can also show margin guidelines if you want to see where to stay away from. Also a ruler right there. It's very helpful. Now for the typography, you can change the text to whatever you like. There's actually quite a few choices here to choose from. And then even change things like the instruction text size to make it bigger or smaller, or just make it auto. I'm just gonna keep everything how it is. With the page numbers, you can play around with that as well. And then with the language, there are a couple choices here. So this is great to create your same book in different marketplaces. Definitely a great way to double down on your income streams there. Now the audience, there's 3 choices here. Adult, which is the typical type of audience. You have your large print, which can work well for seniors. And then you have your kids, which is actually pretty neat. You have even age ranges here, 5 to 7, 8 to 10, and 11 plus. Now I'm gonna check adult. So we have easy, medium, hard, insane, and nightmare. So there are 5 difficulties here. Now the next section is biggest cut per clue. You can choose auto per difficulty, which is recommended, or you can change it if you want to all the way to no limit. So this all depends on how you want to create your book. I'm gonna keep it to auto. And then the style, you can do the classic murder mystery, you can do a dossier, you can do a lineup. So very nice to have variations here. I'm gonna stick to classic. Now if we check out all the styles, so for the classic, you can hunt for the killer, or other options like the thief, spy, traitor, and a bunch. You can even write your own right here. And then you can name the culprit if that's what you want. It's optional. You can even make this into a seasonal book. Now if we do dossier, you have a theme. So here are all the themes right here. Lots of different choices. Manor house, And then you're gonna, same thing, find the killer, thief, so on and so forth, or you can write in your own. Now for the lineup, you can choose to either have numbers under each suspect or names under each suspect. And then you have your silhouette shade. You can do black, charcoal, gray, or light. So I'm gonna stick to the classic, find the killer. I'm not gonna put a name, let AI decide the name for me. And then with the twist and the ciphers, you can choose a bunch of different things here. You could do non-straight deduction. And then right here, you can even weave in a case story. Now this comes with the elite version of this tool, and then even has add-ons. So we can add on coded clues, conditional clues, relational clues, hidden clues, pop culture clues, lots of different things. And then the rest of this is just for the design. And then also with the spelling, you can choose British, Canadian, or American. And then choose how many cases per book you want. You want 1 case per book. Typically, I like to put in 4 cases, and you can ramp up the difficulty with each case, and then add the solutions in one answer key at the back. Now on the bottom here, you can generate 4-case campaign. That's gonna generate the entire book. You can also add an AI storyline, which is gonna generate the puzzle with a mystery story, all done with AI. Now, if you're just getting started and that all of that sounds kind of complicated, you can also go up here to guided setup. Now it's gonna just do very simple steps here. So who is it for? Adult, large print, or kids? We're gonna do adult next. How hard should it be? Well, let's just do nightmare. And then how do suspects appear? Classic, dossier, or lineup. I'm gonna choose classic. What are we doing here? Set the scene. Who are you hunting for? We're gonna do find the killer. We're not gonna put a name in there, let AI decide. And how many suspects do we have? 480 suspects. We can add full names in here with surnames. So let's just stick to 480. You can do up to 100,000. And then you can even add a twist, which is completely optional. So I'm gonna do non-straight deduction, no seasonal skin, next. And then right here, the styling, so book theme. Just gonna go through here real quick. Let's go ahead and do a sapphire society. And then the palette, let's go and do mahogany. And then with the accent color, we can change that out, but I kind of like that one. Heading font, elegant display serif. Let's go ahead and use a distressed typewriter. Click next. Author name. So put in your author name. And the solutions, there's a couple options here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the solution at the back. And then I wanna weave in a case story. So I'll click this and then just hit create my book. You're gonna see this done in real time. And it's only gonna take about a minute to actually create this book. It's actually already done. So this next section is your KDP listing details. It's already created the title for you, the subtitle, your authors right here. The description is all done right here, ready to be copied and pasted, and even gives you some keywords that you can put into the back end. This is gonna be the book cover. So the front cover, the back cover, as well as the A+ content, which is actually really important. This is a great thing about this tool because I don't have to actually create the A+ content. It has everything here done for me within the style of the book. So 480 suspects, 7 clues, 1 killer. Very nice to just go ahead and download this and then add it into A+ content. Even shows how to play, why you'll love it inside the book. It makes it very, very professional. Now, if I go up here, if we go ahead and look at the cover, now we can add text here if we want. You can add more text, you can add a logo, or what we can do is we can regenerate it. But before that, we can choose a cover style. So there are a couple options here. So if you go ahead and just try them out, it changes the front cover here. This one's kind of cool. This is the modern look right here. So that's modern. And what else here? The watercolor look, as well as engraving, and then the minimal. So I actually like the engraving look. This looks pretty nice to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and regenerate the front, and I'm just gonna regenerate until I find something that looks pretty nice. So I kind of like this cover. The back cover is right here, and the A+ content changed to reflect the cover. So that's all very good. And everything can be downloaded right here through a zip file. Now here is the actual book. So here's page 1, and then even the kind of the background. Now page 2 is the copyright page already done for me. Page 3 is how to play, the rules, worked example, progress checkpoints. and then page 4, case file number 1. First assignment, name the killer, and then the incident report, the post-mortem report, and then the case photograph. So this was all done by AI. And then the clues. So everything's done for you. The register. Now here comes the list of names and a bunch of list of names here until you get to the end, which is right here, case file number 2, and then so on and so forth. So for this one, I did 4 case files. So this book is still pretty short, has only about 70 pages, but at the very end is going to be the solution. So for case 1, the solution, here is the culprit. Also an epilogue right there, case number 2. All that's needed to be done is to check over, make sure there's no spelling errors, and make sure the actual solution is correct. This is full color, but if you want to do grayscale, you can go ahead and click this box and it will export this in a grayscale color so you don't have to print in full color. But yeah, this is pretty much as easy as it gets with this AI tool to create these murder mystery logic puzzle books. And then you can just export all right here into PNGs, SVGs, a single PDF, which you can just basically grab this and put it straight into Amazon KDP and even the PowerPoint version. After seeing the full process, you can probably understand why this tool stood out to me. Interactive books like murder mysteries are usually much harder to create than simple books. But when one tool helps you build the story, the puzzles, the cover, inside pages, and marketing materials all together, it just becomes much easier. Just keep in mind that the version that I used in this video is the fully upgraded version, so some features won't be included in the basic version. I'll leave a link to the AI tool in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. And if you want help learning how to publish on Amazon KDP from start to finish, I've also created a free guide called the KDP Royalty Roadmap. It'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and you can find that link also in the description below. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.